If you use Gmail, there's something happening right now that looks completely different from anything you've seen before. It doesn't come from a fake address. It doesn't get caught by spam filters. It comes from Google itself. Welcome back to Padded Vibes Media. If you're new here, this is where we break down the phone and app settings that actually matter before something catches you off guard. Hit subscribe, and for extra alerts the moment we drop something like this, join our Telegram and WhatsApp channel linked below. Alright, let's get into it. Here's how it plays out. You open an email that looks exactly like a real Google security alert. It says a recovery contact was just added to your account, someone you've never heard of. Your first instinct is panic. That's exactly the reaction this is designed to create. Here's the part that makes this one different. The email is real. It genuinely came from Google's own servers. Security researchers confirmed this in 2026. Someone found a way to trigger Google's Real Add a Recovery Contact feature and load extra text into it. Google's own system then packages that text and delivers it to you as a fully authentic email. Google sent it. The person behind it just wrote what's inside. Quick one before we go further. If you've caught something like this in your own inbox, drop a comment below. I want to know how many of you have actually seen this one. Now here's where it gets clever. Inside that email, there's often a huge block of blank space, pushed down using invisible spacing characters, designed to bury the real, boring recovery notice at the very bottom, while the alarming fake message sits at the top where you'll actually read it first. And the link inside often looks safe too, because a convincing fake page can be hosted using Google's own free site building tool. So it technically lives on a Google domain while quietly collecting your login the moment you type it in. So here's exactly what to do if this ever lands in your inbox. Don't click anything inside the email. The urgency is the tool being used on you. That's exactly the reaction it's built to create. Open a new tab and manually type myaccount.google.com. Never click through from the email itself. Check your recovery contacts and recent activity yourself. If nothing looks off there, you're completely fine. The email was just noise designed to make you move before you think. Turn on two-factor authentication right now if you haven't already. An authenticator app helps a lot, but a physical security key is the strongest option out there. Nothing can get past that remotely. If you did click through and enter anything, go straight to myaccount.google.com, change your password immediately, remove any recovery contact you don't recognize, and turn on 2FA before doing anything else. Bottom line, any email pushing you to act because of something you supposedly already did, that deserves a second look every single time. If this helped you catch something you didn't know about, that's exactly what Padded Vibes Media is here for. Subscribe if you're not already. Come join us on Telegram and WhatsApp for these the moment they drop.